360 turn.
Me at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6-1 on the money, 9-2. You just say a word and I run through.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do an updated version of me braiding my hair, because in my last video I was so far from the camera and I don't know how you lot could possibly see what I was doing. So obviously I'm close up now, so I'm gonna show you how I braid my hair. Yeah guys, if you do enjoy this video, please leave it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you press that bell to get notified when a new video is out, and let's get going to the video. So what you literally need for this is 2 rubber bands and a hairbrush, and you're also going to need another hairband or a hair clip, like whichever one suits you. That's literally just to section off your hair. So the first thing I do, I brush my hair out. I have just got out of the shower. I've air dried my hair. You don't need to air dry it, you can do it in whatever condition you want to do it in. I like it when I just come out of the shower. As always, whenever I do curls or hairstyles, all the time I do it in the condition of when I'm just out of the shower. So I'm literally just gonna split my hair into 2. I'm going to tie this side up. Alright, make sure you brush out your hair so there's no tangles. So the first thing I do, I take a little piece from here. So like what you do on a normal plait, split into 3 sections. You're gonna start off as if you're gonna plait. Well, it basically is plaiting, but we're just adding on hair. So now if the next move is me bringing the middle one over to this side, I take the hair, a little section from here, and put it into the middle one and bring it over. Now this middle one is going to go towards the center of my head, so I'm going to take this one, a little piece of hair, put it in the middle, and then bring it over like you would in a plait. And then again, take a little piece of the section here, bring it over. Now on this side, take a strand here, bring it over. So whichever one's in the middle, whichever direction it's going to go to next, bring the hair over, if that makes sense. Hopefully it makes sense. Once your last one's done, you literally just plait all the way down as normal, because there's no more hair to add on. Now when I plait it down till I physically can, I use the rubber band and I tie it up, and then to the other side. So here are my 2 braids. I'm going to show you how it looks like. And obviously I can't deal with these flowers, so I'm going to just put on a little bit of eco gel on them, and I'll get back to you in a sec. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. This is the final look. But yeah guys, if you did enjoy this video, please leave it a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you press that bell to be notified when I drop another video. If you haven't already, follow me on my socials. I'll put them in the description box below. I'll see you guys in the next video.